Hi, it's Neil. Welcome back to my family room here. And today I'm checking out this 4-port charging hub. I got this because on my desk, I just don't have enough outlets for all my stuff. I want to charge my phone, not on my desk, on my nightstand, my phone, my watch, my AirPods, and then sometimes I want to charge my extra battery pack. And then I also want to be able to plug in my Alexa that I have. So I thought that, hey, this is gonna be perfect. I'm gonna be able to put this on my nightstand and it's gonna do all that stuff. So, I mean, I've seen so many different brands of these things. This one here happens to be, I got it for $15, you can see, from Walmart. But I guess it was normally $25. But I mean, I've seen them all over the place and they're not very expensive, but the concept is cool. So let's see what it looks like inside. Don't know why I took the sticker off. So we've got some instructions. Here, I'll hold it up a little bit as I open it up. Then we've got, okay, well here's the item itself. It's a decent size. It's bigger than I thought it would be, I guess. But I guess what it's doing is it's got to power all that stuff. So it's got this pretty decent cord with a straight, plug. So if I try to put it behind my nightstand, it's gonna stick out, but thankfully I have a little plug under my bed, so this will fit under there, and then I'll be able to put this up, and it actually looks pretty nice. I do have an Alexa that's white, so it'll be, white next to white. It'll look pretty good. Comes with this thing here, which is, I think, I guess if you really wanted it like industrial-ish, it's got the little holes in the bottom. You could screw it in through a table or something like that and really screw it down, make it never go anywhere. Open up the little pack here, and then it's got this little rubber, the little rubber cube to make it kind of steady on the bottom here. So I think I'll just take this off, because this is how you would do it. You would screw this down, and then you could take this and put it on and take it off as you want. But probably don't need that. And then it's got a little rubber base on the bottom, so let me see. Yeah, it kind of sticks a little bit, but it's not super sticky. It's more foamy, like it's not gonna scratch. Let me show you. It's not gonna scratch, but it doesn't really stay in place great, especially with a super hard cord. But it does what it seems like it needs to do. I'm trying to wonder what this is for, but that's kind of it. There really isn't too much to it. Do I really need to plug it in and see what it does? I guess so. Why not? Let's see if it lights up or does anything. It's got this little protective thingy on it. And it does have a little light. You see that little blue light on it, so I guess it's on. And I'm not even gonna bother to plug anything. Well, fine. Okay, I guess I will. I'll plug my stuff into it. What am I gonna plug in? Plug this thing here. What is it? So this can plug in, and I happen to have a phone over here. Let's make sure the plug is working. And it is. It's starting back up again. Off. And then, all these ones are gonna, So they all the little ports work. They all make the phone light up. The phone's booting, but so I guess it did a software update was the last thing it did. I don't know what this is, iPhone 7 or something. No, it hasn't even been set up yet. It's got a broken screen. I was gonna work on that later. But concept is good. It looks nice. It stays steady even when I have stuff plugged into it. So I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up. I wish the cord was a little softer, but I guess it needs to be hard to really put the power through for if I want to plug in heavy duty stuff. But we're good. I like it. It's the ONN 4-port USB charging tower. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time I do a review.